name is Kibidot. I'm making this video to apologize to all Muslims all over the world, my fans, my friends, my family that are Muslim. I'm making this video. I'm making this video. I want you guys to forgive me if I've said anything, to that we better more Islam. Islam. I want you guys to go back to the video, try and listen to what I say. Musulumi. So I'm trying to say to them, me will tell you Musulumi more much about this religion. I'm seeking for knowledge on it. So how can we on so because the professor ẹ ṣá má bínú tí bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan tó yẹ pé ó rí bákan bá ní mo ṣe mùsùlùmí wọn tí mọ́yá mo bá fẹ́ ṣe bóyá mo fẹ́ ṣàdúrà fún grandma mi ṣé àwọn christian mo fẹ́ pè ní mùsùlùmí náà ni máa pè ní ìdáyìí mùsùlùmí yìí ni mí so just look for somewhere to forgive me nítorí pé tí òbí yàn bá ní ìṣù pẹ̀lú yàn àṣẹ yorùbá mọ yorùbá ní mí ìbọn ló máa padà bẹ̀ wọ́n so I want you guys to forgive me if I say anything that is wrong. So I'm not being to me and to Christian community as well. If I say something, to prophet that I feel like is wrong, but I'm telling you to be John to your long. More medium I'm not being say me to your long more being. To my fans, I feel like this apology is not needed. Yeah, what is apology? I'm not being John to your long. You're banning me. So I want more friends. I don't want more enemy. Ìpè tí mo gbọ́ ní live on tuntun yẹn ó wọnú egungun mi and this actually go over my emotion which is very wrong. So I learned another lesson that you need to always control your emotion in this life. So tẹ́ bá rí pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ kan ní ìdá yìí use an F word of anything ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run all the Muslim all my fans that are Muslim the Christian community àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú sí mi tí bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan tó yẹ pé ó tàbùkù mọ́ ẹ̀sìn. And I promise you guys, I will never involve myself in this kind of religion contest because it's causing a lot it's causing a lot in Nigeria at the moment. We need to look for a way to sort it out. So Emma Benin see me, people like Alhamdulillah, and a lot of people stream this song, be you Christian, be you Muslim. So I don't want to create hatred. I don't want to create enemy. You guys are my people. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ dáríjì mi tí bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan tó yẹ pé ẹ feel like ó sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó rí bákan dáríjì mi. And to the Fulani that is part of us in this country, I'm talking about the good one that don't have intention of killing people, doing bad things. If you feel like my new song, the signal, only impact tó ń ṣe lára yín in summer, ẹ má bínú sí mi, ẹ dáríjì mi. So I just want peace. We have to control ourselves these days. The internet is doing a lot. We have to be careful. So I still remain my humble self. So to all my people that feel like you disappointed me, this and that, I'm not being seen. So I do one love people together. One love.